I've been running, but I'm stuck in the past, chasing memories that never could last. Echoes of your voice still haunt my mind, but every road I take leaves you behind. Tears fall like raindrops, can't wash the pain, lost in the storm, calling your name. If love was a fire, then why did it burn? Now all I got is lessons I had to learn. I'm lost in the rain, drowning in sorrow, praying for a chance, maybe tomorrow. But time don't heal, it just makes it worse. Every heartbeat feels like a curse. Your picture's still framed, but the glass is cracked. Just like my heart can't take you back. I write these words, but they don't bring peace, only remind me of what we used to be. The love we built just faded away, like a song that ends but still wants to play. If I could turn back, I'd hold you tight, but you're just a shadow in the cold moonlight. So I walk this road, no hand to hold, searching for